If you have diabetes and you still take pap in the morning, this common Nigerian breakfast could be silently spiking your blood sugar unless you do this one thing. Hello there, I am Amara, aka the mom scientist, a biomedical scientist, chemical pathologist, and metabolic health researcher and educator. And all I do on this channel is to share practical and research-based tips for reversing metabolic conditions like PCOS, diabetes, high blood cholesterol, overweight, and low energy. If any of this is of interest to you, consider subscribing to this channel. Pap is a maize pudding. We call it Akamu in the eastern part of Nigeria, and some other parts call it Ogi. I don't know what you call it in your own dialect. It's traditionally seen as light, gentle, and great for babies, nursing mothers, and people recovering from illness. There are people outside this category that enjoy taking pap, especially in the morning. The issue with pap is that it contains high carbohydrates, low fiber, and low protein. And for that, it gets absorbed quickly and causes a blood sugar spike. For someone who is insulin resistant or diabetic, this can cause a serious sugar spike, especially if pap is taken hot, alone, or with sugar or milk. Pap is not just a harmless porridge. To your body, it's like liquid sugar, just like soft drink, unless you prepare it right. This is exactly what happens when you take pap. Within 15 to 30 minutes after drinking pap, you experience blood sugar spike. Insulin gets released in large amounts. If your insulin is already not working well, that's in the cases of insulin resistance, of which many persons, 88% of individuals are insulin resistant. So if you already have insulin resistance, your body will struggle to bring your blood sugar level down. This leads to fatigue, cravings, and long-term damage. That explains why most people feel sleepy after taking pap. It's even worse when you take pap in large quantity, or take pap with sugar, milk, or deep fried beans cake, or skip pairing it with any fiber or protein. A simple breakfast of pap, milk, and akara bean cake might taste great, but it could be wrecking your blood sugar. Here is how to still enjoy pap without damaging your health if you are diabetic or have insulin resistance. Number 1, portion control is very key. Reduce the size of pap you take. Stick to half cup or 1 cup maximum. No refills. Just that is perfect. 2, never drink pap alone. Always pair with protein and fiber. Boiled egg, moi moi, but ensure it's low in oil. Akara, baked or air fried. Unsweetened groundnut paste or chia seeds. Avoid taking pap with sugar and milk. Instead, add cinnamon for taste. And the beautiful thing about cinnamon is that it helps control blood sugar. Or use unsweetened soy milk or coconut milk if needed. Number 4, add fiber. Mix your pap with chia seed or blend it with tiger nut or oats. The time you take your pap is very key. Taking it in the morning when you have activities ahead of you is better than taking it on days you will be less active. Pap is better taken in the morning when you have activities ahead of you than taking it on days you are likely going to be less active. Avoid taking pap at night. Your insulin is less sensitive at night. Some healthier alternatives you might consider swapping for pap. Number 1 is acha. It has low glycemic index, very rich in protein, and high fiber content. Number 2 is oat pap or oat porridge, made from blended oats, not corn. Number 3 is millet porridge, made from millet with its fiber intact. Number 4 is quinoa porridge. Quinoa is a complete protein, so it's a great alternative for pap. Some foods you can pair pap with and reduce sugar spikes are: number 1, boiled egg. You can sprinkle a little pepper or herbs on the egg for flavor. Number 2, air fried or baked akara, that's bean cake. By all means, avoid deep fried akara because it contains too much oil. Number 3, moi moi. You can add fish, eggs, or healthy oil like olive oil for extra blood sugar control. Number 4, groundnuts. Boiled ones are better than the roasted ones. Boiled ones helps control blood sugar better than the roasted ones. Number 5, unsweetened yogurt or zobo yogurt can actually work well. You can as well pair your pap with avocado. So which of these will you be trying the next time you want to take pap? Let me know in the comment section. And remember, everyone's metabolism differs. Track your blood sugar level while you try any of these methods, okay? Alright, see you in my next video, and do well to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if not done so already, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.